Hello everyone, you are welcome to solve this nice exponential equation which is 8 to the power t multiplying by 4 to the power t multiplying by 2 to the power t. This is equal to 40. So what is the value of t? Solution from here, we have that this exponential equation is in the form of a to the power n times a to the power m, which we can express as a to the power n plus m. So, given this property, we have that 8 to the power t multiplying by 4 to the power t multiplying by 2 to the power t, this is equal to 40. So, we can express 8 as 2 to the power 3, and we can express 4 as 2 to the power 2. So, substituting this here, we have 2 to the power 3 raised to the power t multiplying by 2 to the power 2 raised to the power t multiplying by 2 to the power t, this is equal to 40. The next step from here, given that a to the power n raised to the power m, this can be expressed as a raised to the power n multiplying by m. So applying this exponent property, then here we have 2 to the power 3t multiplying by 2 to the power 2t multiplying by 2 to the power t, this is equal to 40. The next step is that we are saying that 2 to the power 3t times 2 to the power 2t times 2t, this is actually in the form of a to the power n multiplying by a to the power m, which we can express as a to the power n plus m. So let's proceed from here. So this is the same thing as 2 to the power 3t plus 2t plus t, this is equal to 40. So here we have 2 to the power 3t plus 2t, this is 5, then 6t. We have 2 to the power 6t, this is equal to 40. To solve for t here, we introduce logarithm on both sides. So here we have log 2 to the power 60, this is equal to log 40. Now the next step is that log 2 to the power 60, this is in the form of log a to the power n, which we can express as n log a. So applying this power rule property of logarithm, then log 2 to the power 60 becomes 60 log 2, this is equal to log 40. So let's divide both sides by log 2 by log 2. So that if you simplify here, log 2 and log 2 simplifies, so that now 60 is equal to log 40 divided by log 2. We have 60 is equal to log 40 divided by log 2. We can express 40 as 8 multiplying by 5. So here we have 60 is equal to log 8 times 5 divided by log 2. Then you find that log 8 times 5, this is in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. So applying this logarithm property, then this follows that here we have 60 is equal to log 8 divided by log 2 plus log 5 divided by log 2. The next step is that we can express 8 as 2 to the power 3. So here we have 60, this is equal to log 2 to the power 3 divided by log 2 plus log 5 divided by log 2. So log 2 to the power 3, this is actually in the form of This is in the form of log a to power n, which we can express as n log a. So applying this property, then here we will have 60. This is equal to 3 log 2 divided by log 2 plus this is log 5 divided by log 2. The next step from here, log 2 and log 2 simplifies, so that here we'll have 60 is equal to 3 plus log 5 divided by log 2. The next step is that you find that log 5 divided by log 2, this is in the form of log a divided by log b, which we can express as log a to base b. Log 5 divided by log 2, this is in the form of log a divided by log b, which we can express as log a to base b. So applying this logarithm property, then now we have 60, this is equal to 3 plus log 5 to base 2. So let's divide both signs by 6. So that now the value of t will be equal to, this is 3 over 6 plus 1 over 6 log 5 to base 2. So let's simplify here by 3, 1, by 3, 2. So t is equal to half plus 1 over 6 log 5 to base 2. Now, this is the value of t. This is the value of t. Let's verify that this value of t actually satisfies the equation by following these steps. Let's verify that the value of t, which is half plus 1 over 6 log 5 to base 2, actually satisfies the equation. Now, if you recall, we entered 8 to power t multiplied by 4 to power t multiplied by 2 to power t. This is supposed to give us a value of 40. Now, we say that this is actually in the form of 8 to power n times 8 to power m, which we can express as 8 to power n plus m. Now, we simplify this further to 2 to power 60. This is supposed to give us a value of 40. Okay? Which you have here, 2 to power 60. This is supposed to give us a value of 40. So let's substitute the value of t. So we have 2 to power 6 times t, which is basically a half plus 1 over 6 log 5 to base 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 40. The next step, let's simplify here. This is by 2, 1, by 2, 3. So we have 2 to power 3 plus, now we have 6 and 6 simplifies. So we have plus log 5 to base 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 40. The next step is that 2 to power 3 plus log 5 to base 2. This is in the form of a to power n plus m, which we can express as a to power n times a to power m. So applying this exponent property, then here we'll have 2 to power 3 times 2 to power log 5 to base 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 40. Now, 2 to power 3 here, this is the same thing as 2 times 2 times 2, and this is equal to 8. So essentially we have 8 times 2 to power log 5 to base 2. The next step is that 2 to power log 5 to base 2, this is in the form of m to power log a to base m, which we can express as a. So applying this logarithm property, then this implies that 2 to power log 5 to base 2, this will give us a value of 5. So let's substitute this. So here we have 8 multiplied by 5. This is supposed to give us a value of 40. And it's clear that 8 times 5, this is 40, which is equal to 40. So that implies that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And therefore, the value of t, which essentially is half plus 1 over 6 log 5 to base 2, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and more importantly, subscribe. Like this video and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.